Alright, what's up guys? We're going to be coming over here finishing up Mr. Semi's hitch over here. I don't know about finishing up because it's raining, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to even weld up anything today because it's just the rain. You know, I don't want to put the machine. I got to do a whole thing to set it up and everything, and I don't feel like, you know, having to rush it in and this, that. So we may just wait to do the welding later, but we're going to get these 2 holes drilled. And then after that, get the hitch all set up and maybe do tack welding. I don't know. We'll find out in a little bit, but let me get everything set up and then we'll get to work on this. All right guys, so listen, I got the bolts drilled after maybe an hour and a half. I'm sitting there trying to get a bolt through the drill bit to even drill through this metal. This metal's so freaking hard. It's so annoying to work with, but here's what you're gonna do. So, but we got the brackets on. I'm gonna take this bracket off here, put the hitch receiver on, and try and measure out that, see where we're at with that. All right guys, so listen, we got this hitch all on here. I just got to weld it up. I got it to center as I believe I can get it. You know, I just, hopefully this should be right around center. That should be it, hopefully. Hope to God. But other than that, this looks pretty good so far. So what we gotta do is grind right here and here, weld all this up here, and we're good to go on this. And hopefully we're done with the hitch and we just go to only be wiring the hitch stuff, because I'm getting tired of doing this. That hole was a pain in the ass to drill. Truly a pain in the ass to do. All right guys, so listen, I thought the GoPro was recording, but these are the welds we got. These ones are pretty damn good, especially right here. Like these ones are like my best ones right here. Especially right over here. This is like when the machine was working really good. Down here are okay. I'm gonna go repass over these because these are the most important ones. These are the ones that are actually nothing else is holding on to this but these welds. So definitely gonna make sure that's definitely on there. But these look really good so far. So, but it's getting dark out, so listen, I can't do any more welding. It's hard to see as it is. Alright, so other than that guys, listen, please leave a like on the video to help support the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Do Hitch Flower Dreams, do nothing get away, and I'll see you guys next one.